Okay, it's Wednesday, February 23rd. Just wanted to show you I'm going through a lot of my stocks, and one that I'm focused on today, buying puts on, is Airbnb. I'm not going to do it right this second. It had a weak opening here, and you can see it's headed lower. We're at almost 10 o'clock in the morning. So I'm going to look for one little rally up here into, somewhere in the near the 160 area, and look to definitely buy puts. What happened is this little breakdown today gave you a 2 down on the week. On the monthly, you can see we're failing on the breakout above. We have a 50% rule now coming 50%, so we could be heading all the way down to the bottom of last month, which is, in the 134 area. I mean, that's a long way to go. But in terms of the short run projections, now that we're breaking, the daily chart is down 4 days in a row. So there could be a little bit of, it's a little bit of exhaustion maybe on the downside in the short run, even though we're getting a new break on the weekly chart. Again, that could cause just a little bit of a rally here that I'm looking for. But we are targeting now the lows of this week here for sure, which is 153.44, and we're about 155.71 right now. So again, there's still a couple of points to go just to even hit our first target. Then I could see on the daily chart, this pivot looks to be a logical target, which is kind of the 146 area. So that's another 10 points lower that I think we're heading. Again, do we go straight down every day? Hard to say, but I think on this type of day today, given the breakdown and given that this was the start of the 2-week down, we're just kind of beginning this move. So if I could just get one little, I don't want to buy down here puts and then have a big rally and have to kind of wait. So I'd rather just either miss it if it just goes straight down, or kind of wait for a target back up. If I look at the hourly chart here, let's see what that's doing. Obviously, the second hour is down here. Again, I'd love to see some kind of a pause up in here, a little pullback, and then just be ready to buy some puts. So that's what I'm looking for. All the context is there, but I just wanted to kind of show you as it's, I'm going to be very patient and just kind of watch how price action forms. I would love to, if I go even to a shorter time frame, 5-minute chart, we'll want to see maybe some broadening action even if I look at the 1-minute chart, just something where I can get like kind of a broadening action back to the upside here intraday, and then that will be a great opportunity to buy puts for all those targets below. So that's what I'm watching. When you buy these options, typically it's better to, unless you get the first breakout, it's better just to let the premiums kind of dwindle a little bit as the stock rallies, then jump in knowing you're going to get the the move back down in the bigger picture context. So anyway, just showing you, watching Airbnb today. Hopefully I'll get some kind of a rally here, just that'll fail, and that'll be a good opportunity to buy some puts.